11 things to consider before purchasing a ceiling fan. Today we will see the best quality ceiling fans and what to check before purchasing it. Number 1. Sweep size. This specification is one of the most important things while choosing a ceiling fan for your room. Sweep is the length of one blade tip to other side blade tip. If your room size is up to 75 square feet, then you can go to either 600 mm or 900 mm ceiling fan. I would like to refer 600 mm ceiling fan is best among speed and price. If your room size is up to 100 square feet, then you can go to 1200 mm ceiling fan. And if your room size is more than 400 square feet, then you can go to 1400 mm ceiling fan. Number 2. Watt. What is the unit of power? This parameter is assigned to all the electrical appliances. Higher the wattage in appliances, higher the electricity consumed. So before the purchase of any electrical appliance, you must choose the appliances which have a lower amount of watt. Number 3. Technology. Most people are not aware of the revolutionary technology that was introduced in India 7 years ago. The name of this technology is BLDC technology. BLDC or a brushless direct current motor. BLDC technology ceiling fan has up to 32 watt. 5-star ceiling fan has up to 50 watt. Ordinary ceiling fan has 75 watt. You can see a use of BLDC technology in ceiling fans. The wattage is much lesser than ordinary ceiling fans. Number 4. B-star. It is very important to check the B-star while purchasing a ceiling fan as it shows the electricity consumption rating. If B-star is higher, it means the electricity consumption is lower. So, try to purchase a ceiling fan with a higher B-star. Number 5. Air delivery. Higher air delivery means better the flow of air in the room. So, you have to choose ceiling fans which have higher air delivery. Number 6. RPM. RPM means revolution per minute. You have to choose a higher RPM ceiling fan with better air delivery. In some ceiling fans, the RPM is high, but the air delivery is not sufficient due to different blade angles. Number 7. Motor winding material. Copper winding is preferred for better performance of the motor. So, you can choose ceiling fans which come with copper winding and also try avoiding the purchase of fan with any other winding material like aluminum. Number 8. Ceiling fan controls. In the current market of the ceiling fan, you may find ceiling fans that can be controlled with regulators, remote or smartphones. We have all these options in different models. You can choose according to your requirement. Number 9. Noise. It is a universal fact that not everyone likes noise. Considering this fact, the BLDC fan is suitable for everyone. In BLDC fans, there is less noise as compared to ordinary fans. Number 10. Heating of motor. If the motor temperature gets heated, then it will increase the temperature of your room space. So you should consider ceiling fans in which the motor does not get heated fast. In BLDC fans, the motor does not get heated fast, keeping the temperature of your room in control. Number 11. Maintenance. In normal ceiling fans, issues start occurring after a certain period of time. For instance, you have to change capacitor from time to time. Sometimes winding gets burnt, so you have to get it fixed from your electrician. The speed of the fan also decreases after some time, causing noise. The fluctuation in voltage can also have an effect on the ceiling fan. By using brushless DC fans, you can eliminate all these problems. Please like the video and share to one who is going to purchase a ceiling fan, and also comment down if you have doubts regarding ceiling fan. Thank you and have a nice day. Regards from Mahalakshmi Electricals.